guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
So I greet you now, better people from Edo State, worldwide. I greet you now. I greet you now. I greet you now once again. I know I share. If not, they even let me share because I just do it one phone for you. And I know if you share. So I indulge you people to share because there's a new phenomenon in town. A new phenomenon in town that we all have to put our hands on deck to condemn immediately. The new phenomenon with the town now, we say some few idle Edo people will be at home, not working, not contributing anything to the land to grow. They will then inside house, they claim benefits. Then there will be one broadcaster equally not working, propelling negativity to them. All of them will gather to that place. They prepare evil to the world. They prepare evil. People that cannot offer anything. People that have lost it all. People without no opinion in society with the day. They just go plug around one platform. They say they talk truth. But me, I say that platform, I was once a party to believe in that platform. But today, based on what you can see there, now miscreants left in the society, the least of the least, people that have no substance, the losers that pretend to be people, that they there. Because any man what his substance, any man what his or her substance cannot be so idle, propelling a boy, undocumented boy, making one broadcast in the morning, making one in the afternoon, making one in the night, drinking. What has happened to us as a people? What happened to us as a people? Because we get a lot of mumu in Europe, a lot of mumu now full Europe. Because it's obvious that those callers, those women, what they call prank picture, no, they go work, will not get husband, will not get husband. One undocumented boy just sit down for that in one room. They insult everybody. They threaten everybody. You don't see that one boy in one pie. He go pie very soon now. Except it be spirit. Maybe he don't die before. Because it's threat when they threaten people don't too much. On normal values of society, it's not possible for one man to threaten everybody like that. It's not possible. That boy don't die before. Me at the talk can tell the world now, say that boy is a spirit. He was dead. Fish just chop him. Because what did you go see? It got too much. This will not be time to gather for idiots, single mothers. Go they call her. They prefer and say they do good. That boy is not doing anything good. That boy is an evil boy. To insult everybody. You don't get respect for papa, you don't get respect for mama, you don't get respect for elder brother, you don't get respect for younger brother, you don't get respect for elder sister, you don't get respect for a younger sister. That is not our culture. That is not our culture. If anybody talk to that boy will carry person picture come. They call him name, one of that person's name. I refuse to concur. I refuse to accept that. Whatever idea that boy is spread, no matter what, no matter as I tell whatever spread in the past, I have come out to say categorically that boy is not competent to speak. If people they go there go watch that boy, I know say 99.9 of those people they be mumu. They be mumu. I come again to talk him to the world. That boy is nobody. It's inconsequential. He's just a storyteller. When he goes sweaty passer, he go be like thief for eyes. He dey rake. He's known for doing that. He could rake, nine with this, nine with that. That boy, he not get anything to offer. He did threaten boasting. Frank Victor, you don't pass your boundary. I mean, they tell you don't pass your boundary. The day when you come emphasize on that way people they talk, and that day you pass your boundary. Just say, because I warn you, say a lot of big pass you. Whether you choose to believe it or not, she big pass you, she get everything pass you. If the pound will deport you, welcome to deportation camp. You'll be there very soon. Very, very welcome to that place. That's where you're going to end it up later. So just the rant, make people they call you, they tell you they do well. Those are sick people when they call you. Now sick people from all I care to know. Those are sick and idiotic and stupid, frustrated people. When you come from nowhere yesterday, come they call people you meet for the land, say cool, don't catch your head. You get mad pass, then you sabi talk pass. You want to make everybody they fear you. You want to make everybody they fear you. You never put your leg on the ground just to defraud. All I asked you today, let me go back to the Genesis. What I asked you for now? Just go prove what you talk. As you say, your platform, now the platform of truth. You they talk truth well. Prove amo, Google amo. Come give me the details. If you feel Google, give me details of what you talk. Say your papa fuck you, your mama fuck you, you fuck your mama fuck your sister. They come fuck all of that together for the house. Google way. Google. If you feel Google, I'll say yes. Your platform and the truth platform. But anything short of that, your platform is based on lies. Your platform is based on fucking lies. In the heat of the moment, I don't allow anybody. So don't come talk, say if you want to hit somebody, you can't hit them with lies. I don't hit on people with lies. I hit on people with truth. I'm not stupid like you. They talk for 20 hours. I cannot sit down and talk for 20 hours. Is Facebook my means to earn my resources or wherever? Now you. So you can stay there, they fool people. But in as much as I say I don't come attack you, you go see how your days will go legs. Because I was there to even prepare, say, this guy get truth before. But now you don't lie for my head. If you lie for my head, you can't give a corroboration. You can't say you corroborate it according to the English language. It's called corroboration. Now come and prove it. You and Ivie, the juju out there swear for 12 now, You and Ivie, I said they swear for Ivie because I just keep calm. They look say one day I will get to everybody accordingly. But henceforth, you and Ivie, now you and Ivie, I will swear for. The one I will take kill you very soon. Because you don't did to lie. Frank Victor, you did lie. Wait. I will swear for you. I'll bring out to social media. Your lie is too much. Because anything you talk now, to me, not noise. I don't care. I don't know. I don't want to know. If I want to hit Kevin Olagwe before now, I could have hit him before now. I don't feel hit him before. Kevin Olagwe is no good. I know him. Kevin Olagwe is a snitch. He's a betrayer. He too like money. I know him. I mean the talker. Kevin Olagwe is no good. He love money too much. But because of this one where you hit her, I will never support you to hit her. If I want to hit Kevin, I will hit Kevin on my own different notes. Not because of your own. Because you don't lie for my head. Maybe you did lie for Kevin's head too. I swear. And so I conclude that. So I'm using this medium to tell people, don't believe in Frank Victor. Frank Victor is a liar. Not until he prove me. I challenge you, Frank Victor. Leave Kevin. Prove me for what you talk on your platform. Come and prove everything you talk about me. I dey drink vino, good. That one, I dey drink vino once in a while. But you don't know me, reach out. The other one you talk, come prove her. Come prove her. You will prove her. If not prove her, no way I know they can. I will counter-attack you everywhere, anywhere you dey. What you stand for, I dey against her. Anything you stand for, I dey against her. Anything you stand for, I will be against it. Come and prove that thing where you prove, where you talk against me. If not, your platform and our live platform of idiotic people will not get sense. Your followers should come out to ask you, say, that you talk about Omofuma, come and prove it. If not, your platform is dead. You're not competent to speak about anybody. You're not competent to talk about Kevin Olagwe. You say rope will tie Kevin, I tie you. Come prove whether you take bribe from Papa Wahala. Come and prove it. Don't come here because they distract people. Fools, they call you. You are doing a great job. You are doing a wonderful job. You are happy. Mumu. They talk, say they'll be mumu now. They will say that they concern. How can you see somebody lying? No go answer, say, oh, this two we talk about Omofuma. Is it true? Come and prove it. You just jump from one junction to another junction. Everybody with the color. He's a man. He try. He is doing well. What a wrong set of people without no comprehension of knowledge. My brief submission for now. It's fucking money because I'm pissed off with fact. I get too much activities. If not, I would not sit down. Give her. I know they make you say they do saga where they turn person head. This saga go turn idiot head. Not a person like me, that idiot saga go turn head. Now fools, people with a low complex, inferiority complex, then that idiot go turn. There is that one go say saga go turn person head. All you can do, you can drink all I care, drink recent premise, drink 10 beer, come wear that if it's cap, come they show clothes, they buga for clothes, get what the person don't pass now. That'll be close, I will go the show for now. We don't big pass, so you not small boy. And now they show clothes with the hang for inside wardrobe, we don't pass that level now. That'll be close with the show for you not still small boy. You be baby. They show so the designers with this ashi wolo. Those frustrated idiots they give you to the blackmail people. With those or rather those with the blackmail. Because as far as I'm concerned, you're a blackmailer. You're a blackmailer. That's what you are. So nothing you will talk from now. Rant from now till tomorrow. I will not concur. I will not agree. Never. So this time my brief one for you this morning. At the go airport to do something better than your dirty life when you inside room they sleep. Now when you wake up, see this message, make you listen to her. Then you know say I big pass you, they rake, they threaten you, make they come meet you for one place. You just say if they want come meet you, they will come meet you for that place. Who want come meet you? You are a boy. United Nations, speaking of United Nations. I laugh. Speaking of United Nations, a criminal under United Nations. As you know, law, you know, see some better lawyers there to bring your case. Your videos are there. What will give you that right to insult people as an asylum seeker? As an asylum seeker, what gives you that right to insult people? They put people's name into different areas. You say you be United Nations PK, you seek asylum. You welcome better pass the citizens of Europe because you be United Nations seeker to save your life, to save your dirty life. Your life was in misery, in jeopardy. They save you. They give you asylum status. You think that's a better status for you? What a useless, idiotic boy. They talk. Could you say if you talk for 10 hours, now talk pass. Now ain't no law pass. You be asylum seeker. You be United, you hold UN passport. You're a boy. A little boy for that matter. And go touch you if you not change your ways. Your ways they smell. Your ways they smell. Seriously, your ways they smell. No sane-minded human being. They behave the way they behave. In the place that they call you, you they rain. You are getting so. They show this. There's a bit this low self-esteem. You never expected you could get to this level, and the whole thing don't make you go gaga. If not, you cannot be insulting everybody. You just sit down for your table, they insulting everybody. It's not done. It's not done. It's unacceptable. Eddie Murphy to call into that idiotic boy show yesterday. Call it like say they do well. It's a slap to you. A big slap to you. But I know say the propeller to the doom, the one where you get, you want to make you go get that too, which you will get very soon. You will get it very soon. So my people, I don't know whether the network clear. I know you see comments. Yeah, but I'll do them later. I'll send the same message across. This boy, no matter what, there's no reason one small boy could just think say can dominate everybody. He go the rake, he go the rake, he go the rake, he go the drink. They tell the words, say now one can change the order of the word. Frank Victor is impossible. Now me tell you it's impossible. You go collect the Europe today, you go collect. Any issue you will come, you go collect. You know they live in an island. You live among people, you go collect. Let me tell you. Trust me, you will collect. Let me leave you.